told you. Be careful. Your mother will kill me if you injure yourself.
Can you flip the camera so we can see the doors?
That's one door.
No. Flip the camera. There's a little flip button on your phone. Flip it.
Flip. Oh, yeah, flip. Okay. Just mate.
Yeah. All I can see is some sexy legs from somebody.
I think the reason the paint job wasn't great on the beach box is because he'd actually lost his glasses. He did it blind.
I did.
Dad. Harry, you have pocket dialed me yet again. Harry Pavlou.
Careful. Watch where you're stepping.
Sounds like you don't trust me.
I don't. With the shower screen, it's on silicon. Cannot be knocked. If it gets knocked, it needs to be redone. So I was protecting the shower screen while he was fitting the hydronic towel rail. It's called paranoia. I don't want to have a screen gate. We've had a great gate. I don't want a screen gate today. You're correct. You're right.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
You're right.
No. Listen in my
Do I have to take you to the Ionia Hospital to get your ears checked?
I don't know, maybe you need to, because you didn't listen to me initially.
Dad, it's not above. It's not above. Don't move anything. Okay, just...
You like that?
Doesn't flush. Doesn't flush.
Oop.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Harry.
It puts...
George is going to kill you. You've made a mess of his bathroom.
Oh, Harry Pavlou. Lucky you were wearing a hard hat.
Wear a helmet.
We are so stoked with our agent.
We needed to get Maddie and Ilana on deck.
Marty.
So, Marty. All right, Marty. Marty, you know, we'll like to get the Fox team on board. Fantastic.
And what's her name?
Lana.
Ilana. Lana.
Oh, my God.
Oh, contactless delivery. Hard to say, isn't it? Contactless delivery. Natasha. I ordered the Terrazzo 6x6, are they?
Yeah, they should be.
It doesn't look right.
Dad, I don't know. That's what they told me.
Well, they're an absolute... Oh, Jesus!
Why are you cracking it?
Because... Look, I think it's a learning curve for Natasha. And look, it's...
For me, I did nothing wrong. Next time, you can go choose the tiles. Next time, you can go.
Look, the shower screen's quite high. It's 2.7 metres high, but the tiles are 2.8.
100 mil short.
Yeah. I did that by deliberate.
What do you mean?
That's a style.
It's got to be to the tile line.
No, it doesn't.
Of course it does.
Not my style.
Did you do that on purpose?
Yeah, I did. I knew it was short. I knew it.
Why?
Because that's fine.
It's not fine.
It is fine.
They told us last time, do it to the top.
Oh, well. They're here. Go in.
I don't know what's going on.
Go in. I think it's a selling point. You walk into a house and you want to see some automation. You want to see a bit of IT. I work in IT, so I know these things. How good is that? This will be done in no time.
We need to put 2 PowerPoints there. Did he listen? No, he didn't. You don't. Why do you need 2 PowerPoints on a bench?
I don't remember she said that, but...
Oh, Dad. Just...
Oh.
Oh, God. It's going to break the gagger now.
Natasha!
See?
Natasha!
Just,
Women always on the phone.
Hold on. Too sorry.
Women always on the phone.
Dad, I'm on the phone.
Natasha!
Do you know what I think we do? Wallpaper.
Yeah.
To make that feel more of an angle.
Yeah.
Wallpaper this on the, and then it comes down in the angle.
Yeah, so I don't have to paint it.
Yeah, put some windows out the back.
Whose boat's this? Yours or mine? Get away. I went and took the Mustang out for a bit of a drive down freeway to Sorrento.
What? Is that how far you went today?
I went to get vanilla slice.
You got this house coming last. Why didn't someone pick this house with the north-facing light?
Well, bad them. Good us.
Which way did you wake up on the bed this morning?
I'm so sore.
Where we were supposed to put artwork, and now there's a pin pad in the middle of the wall.
Keypad.
Whatever.
No pin pad.
Dad!
Harry,
minute.
Harry, we need you.
Minute.
Where are we going, Harry?
We're going to pick up some screwdrivers from a hardware store in Hampton. I had to go back to got my favourite store. It's called Harry's Mitre 10, and pick up and borrow some screwdrivers.
What'd you go home for?
To get some screwdrivers. Did I ask you for some? You said you didn't have any.
Oh, no, I said I've got one right here.
No, you don't.
I told you that.
You didn't tell me that.
Yes, I did.
You ignored me.
You made it.
Yeah,
Yes.
look what you've built.
I mean, the whole idea was to spend more time with your dad, Tash, to, you know, have that bond for life.
Regret.
No, couldn't have done it with anyone else, surely.
No, and we keep saying that as much as we wanted to, I think, kill each other over the past few weeks, but we wouldn't have done it with anyone else.